platelet is so fantastically amazing because it releases these local, you got a lot of local factors that it will release into the tissues to help with healing and inflammation. So the difference between a stem cell and a platelet is a fragment of a cell. So, in your bone, the platelets are formed and they come out, they break into fragments, and then they're fragments of a cell in your circulatory system. The fragments of the cell are there to help you stop bleeding. That's what we learned in medical school. Very basic idea of platelets. Turns out that they have a lot more functions. They do a lot more than just help you stop bleeding. But a platelet is basically a circulating fragment of a cell that will go to an area of injury and it will clump up. It has adhesive characteristics, so they stick together. Platelet is so fantastically amazing because it releases these local, you got a lot of local factors that it will release into the tissues to help with healing and inflammation. But then also we have a stem cell signaling function in platelets. It turns out that PRP platelets will actually signal stem cells. So the difference between a platelet and a stem cell is one, a stem cell is an actual whole cell, and a platelet's a fragment of a cell. A stem cell is a cell in your body that can become other things. So stem cells are essentially cells that can become other things, but they're a whole cell. A platelet, again, is a fragment of a cell that can't necessarily become other things, but can act as a signal to a stem cell.